Are you looking for a way to stay in touch with people but are worried about sending the same message over and over? Then dynamic text messaging inside of SmartPlans in Command may be a great option for you. Hey, I'm Chris Cox of Chris Cox Training and Consulting. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video today. So as we said in the intro there, what we're going to talk about today is how you can use what are called dynamic text messages inside of a SmartPlan, inside of Command, to send different messages every time you cycle through a SmartPlan, thus helping you from sending the same text message over and over and over. Great use case for this is, let's say you have someone, maybe it's an internet lead that you talk to on Facebook, and they said, I'm just looking. Well, what you can do with that is you can add a SmartPlan that is set up for just looking people, and it'll send a different text message every time to them, up to 6 different text messages, and with a different message each time that it cycles through. So let's go ahead and get into Command and show you how to do that. If you do like what you're seeing here and you'd be interested in seeing more videos like this, you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you can make sure that my training videos get into your inbox. So as I said, inside of Command, what we are going to do is we're going to go to SmartPlans. And again, as I said, I have created SmartPlans like this. If you are interested in seeing what my sample looks like, if you go to the library and you search for Chris Cox, you'll see all of the SmartPlans there that I have created. The one specifically with the dynamic text messages is this 6-month just looking. So you can go ahead and take a look at that. But we're going to build a SmartPlan using those mechanics today, using the dynamic text. So to do that, I'm going to go to My SmartPlans, and I'm going to go up to Create. And you do need to give it a unique name. Again, just for this, I am going to call this Dynamic Text Sample. All you need to do inside of your SmartPlan for that is you need to first add send text. And you'll see when I added that send text, again, this does need to be connected to a Twilio account to be able to use the dynamic text or static text for that message. But if you hover over message type here, you'll see the first type is static, and that is going to be to set up a single text message, and that is not recommended for repeating SmartPlans. The other option is you'll see dynamic, which means you can set up multiple text messages, and that would be recommended for repeating SmartPlans. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and hit dynamic, and you'll see there you can add up to 6 text messages can be added. And you'll see as soon as I change that from static to dynamic, it added a number 1 text and a number 2 text. And then if you want to add more, you would go to add another text option, and you can add up to 6. So what you can do with this is you can say, hey, thanks for chatting today. Or if you want to do it, send a delay and have it send some a month later or something like that. A while ago, you visited our website. Just wanted to check in. And then you can put your name or whatever after that, or obviously you can build a much better message than that. For this, we're just showing you how the mechanics work on it. And then text number 2, you can say, hey, how is the house search going? Then if you really want to plus your SmartPlans, you can use what are called merge fields. So the merge fields inside of campaigns are over here, where it's going to pull information from either the contact or yourself to send a different text message and address them individually. So instead, if you wanted to say, hey, go over to merge field and you say, hey, contact first name, this is agent first name from Keller Williams. How is the house search going? I'm going to go ahead and save that by hitting the check mark. And you'll see all changes have been saved. Now, to get this to work, you want to set a delay. So you want to say, hey, I want to send this out every month, every 15 days, whatever you want your cadence to be. I'm going to go ahead and set delay. You'll see that I'm going to add the set delay. And then I'm going to change this to be 30 days. Then I'm going to save that. Now the final component is I need to tell this SmartPlan to repeat itself. So what this is doing is it's going to send a text message as soon as you add the SmartPlan to somebody. Then it's going to delay 30 days. Then the final component is you need to restart the SmartPlan. You want to be sure that you restart the SmartPlan the number of times that you have for text message in there. So in this case, I've got 2 text messages set up. I'm going to hit 2. And then I'm going to save that. So what that's going to do is that is going to repeat the entire process, sending a different text message each time you do it. Now, if you do download my SmartPlan, you'll notice that what it does is it actually sets the delay right at the beginning. So the way it's intended to do is you talk to somebody, they say they're just looking, you then add that SmartPlan, it delays 30 days, and then it starts the text messaging, then it delays another 30 days. So with that, you can actually get an extra touch time, an extra amount of time out of it, and then you're not touching them right after you just talked to them. So that's what you have for dynamic text messaging. Again, if you like what you're seeing here and want to get more opportunities to learn, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon on another training video. Thanks. Bye-bye.